from this property, that is mean value of the error term is equal to 0, we can find out or we can get some additional informations with regard to the sample regression function. Okay, so we know that our sample regression function is yi is equal to beta 1 hat plus xi plus ui hat. This is the sample regression function. Now, using this property, we can find out the sample regression function in its mean deviation form. So, we are going to find out the SRF in mean deviation form. Okay, so for that, we have to take sigma on both sides. That is, sigma yi is equal to, let this equation be first equation. Taking sigma yi, beta 1 hat, sigma beta 1 hat can be written as n beta 1 hat, since beta 1 hat is a constant term, plus beta 2 hat sigma xi plus sigma ui hat. Now, this property says that this will be equal to 0. Sigma ui hat will be equal to 0. Therefore, equation will become n beta 1 hat plus sigma xi. Now, we have to divide throughout with n. That is sigma yi by n. Sigma yi by n, we can write it as yi bar is equal to beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat. Sigma xi by n can be written as x bar. So, y bar is equal to beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat x bar. Hope you remember this equation that we have already came across when we are finding out beta 1 hat is equal to y bar minus beta 2 hat x bar. So, that same equation is derived here and we get y bar is equal to beta 1 hat plus beta 2 hat x bar. Let this equation be the second equation. Now, we have to subtract equation 1 minus 2, or we have to subtract second equation from the first equation. Then, this will be first equation yi minus y bar is equal to, this is yi, this is y bar, equal to beta 1 hat minus beta 1 hat will be equal to 0. Okay. Next, beta 2 hat xi. Beta 2 hat xi minus beta 2 hat x bar plus ui hat. Here no ui component, so plus ui hat. Okay. That is yi minus y bar is equal to beta 2 hat is common. We can see beta 2 hat in both these terms. So, taking common beta 2 hat xi minus x bar plus ui hat. Again, in the estimation part, we have already said that yi minus y hat can be written as small letter yi. Hope you remember this. This actual y minus mean value of the yi minus y bar is written as small letter yi equal to beta 2 hat xi minus x bar can be written as small letter xi plus ui hat. This is the sample regression function in deviation form, mean deviation form. We are considering the mean deviation here. Xi and yi, small letter xi and yi will represent the value of actual y from the mean value of the y and actual x from the mean value of x. So, this equation yi is equal to beta 2 hat xi will be the sample regression function in its mean deviation form. So, whenever we Whenever we have to deal with mean deviation form, remember to take this equation considering small letter y and small letter x. Or it can also be written as yi hat is equal to beta 2 hat xi. This is the SRF in mean deviation form. Here actual y value is equal to beta 2 hat xi plus error term. And coming to sample regression function, SRF in mean deviation form, yi hat is equal to beta 2 hat xi. So this is the sample regression function in mean deviation form.